sort your JSON alphabetically. So as you can see here, the JSON properties are all randomly placed. They are not in any order. So we can just sort it using one online tool, which is a free online tool. So we'll just copy this JSON and go to Google, and we can type here JSON ABC, and it will show this novicelab.org JSON ABC sort JSON alphabetically. Open this page, paste your JSON here and click on this sort ABC button, and as you can see, this JSON is now sorted alphabetically. So this is when you have to copy paste your JSON. You want to do it online, you can do it. If you want to do that using the code in your application, then we can also do that, and for that we can use an npm package called JSON ABC. We can search with this name, npm JSON ABC. Here it came. So JSON ABC, it can be used to sort the JSON properties, object properties of any variable. So I'll just show you the demo for this. So we can just copy paste this in our code editor. For example, here we have this file. We can just create one new file, index.js, paste this code, and we also need to install this package. So I can just do npm install, and the package name is JSON ABC. So the package is added, and here we have our sorted. We are sorting here this C0B1A0 object. You can just copy this, and we'll try to console log. Now when I run it, node index.js, as you can see, it has converted it A0, B1 and C0. So I think that's all for this tutorial. If you want to sort any kind of JSON or any object alphabetically, then you can use JSON ABC. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.